Stir frying spaghetti is usually yummy, especially this type that you fill with sweet bell peppers. Let me quickly show you how I made this yummy spaghetti. So for the ingredients, I have the spaghetti, bell peppers, chicken, onions and carrots. So in a pot of boiling water, add the spaghetti. Remember, you don't have to break it. All you have to do is put it in the water and to cook. I added a little bit of salt and some vegetable oil. This way the oil will make the spaghetti not to stick too much. So now it's just, you just have to fold it into the water as it's boiling. You don't even have to break it. So the next thing we're going to do now is cover it, allow it to cook for like 8 minutes. While doing so, I'll be cutting my vegetables.
Say you want chop with the hunger, need a multi-burger. Everything need it, everything need it, we know they tell you. Say na bodati kishin, we sharan, we dey run them more. Bodati kishin, we sharan, now we dey run them more. Bodati Kitchen with Sharon, entertainment, educative and fun.
So guys, I've finished cutting it. As you can see, I diced the chicken. Everything is all set. The first thing we're going to do is cook the chicken. So in a wok, add a little bit of vegetable oil, pour in the chicken, stir it and season it with whatever seasoning of your choice. For me, I use some curry powder and some seasoning cubes. So all you have to do is just continue stirring it until it's fully cooked. This should not take more than 10-15 minutes. So that's just me stirring until it's fully cooked. When it's fully cooked, you'll know because it will be about golden brown and not, as you can see, at this stage it's cooked now. In the same pot, I just went on to add some diced onions and stir for the onions to release its flavor. So when the onions are stirred for like 1 minute, I went on to add the chopped hot dog. This one is completely optional depending on your choice. I just love hot dog, so I just went on to add a little bit of it. After that, I went on to add the carrots. You see the way I slice this, the shape which I slice, it's kind of slants. So after that, just went on to add the seasoning, a little bit of salt and some curry powder again. You don't need so much seasoning because remember it's spaghetti. A little bit of seasoning will do. So when you have combined all those vegetables, remember you don't have to put the pepper in now. Just stir everything together to form a uniform taste. Check for salt, check for everything. So when everything is fully ready, all I have to do is just add the bell peppers for garnishing. As you have seen me added it, I just added the bell pepper for garnishing, and ta-da! It looks beautiful. Also, trust me, it tastes delicious, absolutely yummy. If you give this recipe a try, let me know. And if there's another recipe you want me to cook for you, just let me know in the comment section. So our food is ready. Stir it for like 5-10 minutes on the stove, and yummy, it's ready. This is a picture I took after cooking it. Everything is perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate this. Bye.